Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the jumper in Watch Dogs 2. To deploy your jumper, simply open your DedSec menu and select it. This handy little device is a remote-controlled, two-wheeled vehicle that Marcus Holloway uses for a variety of tasks. It's incredibly useful for scouting ahead, hacking various devices from a safe distance, and reaching those tricky spots that Marcus himself cannot physically access. Get ready to master this essential tool. The jumper boasts a wide array of versatile abilities. It can hack nearly any electronic device you encounter, from security cameras to forklifts and even complex security panels. Its compact size allows it to effortlessly navigate through small vents and pipes, granting you access to otherwise restricted areas. Don't forget its handy jump ability, which lets it reach higher ledges or easily overcome small obstacles, expanding your exploration possibilities significantly. Beyond basic scouting, the jumper excels in advanced maneuvers. You can strategically create distractions by hacking objects, effectively drawing enemy attention away from Marcus, allowing for stealthy approaches. It's also crucial for solving many environmental puzzles, like activating remote switches or precisely moving objects into place. Consider equipping upgrades such as the Jumper Speed Boost or Jumper Jump Boost to significantly enhance its mobility and overall effectiveness in various situations. To truly maximize your jumper's effectiveness, always prioritize stealth to avoid detection. It's quite fragile. Combine its unique abilities with Marcus's other hacking tools for tackling more complex scenarios, creating powerful synergies. Remember to utilize its integrated camera to tag enemies and identify all hackable objects from a safe distance, giving you a tactical advantage. Mastering the jumper will make you a far more efficient and formidable hacker in Watch Dogs 2.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.